because of Masada. Masada. Yeah. Just in front, right in front of us, there is a mountain, a small mountain, a high mountain, that is Masada. Here, the brave Jewish people, they fought against the Roman soldiers. They did not want to surrender to the Roman soldiers. So on top of that mountain, they had made encampment. They encamped. They put their arms and ammunition. It is difficult to. There is only one way, approach road to go up. Otherwise, it is all a precipice, and no one can come up. So on top of this, if thousands and thousands of Roman soldiers come, they could defeat them easily. But the thing is that not only thousands, tens of thousands, 12, 15, 20,000 of Roman soldiers came up, and around 1,000 Israeli army with their families were staying up there. You see the mountain? That separate mountain, it is a hill. That separate hill. That singular hilltop, on top of the hill, the soldiers, the Israeli soldiers were there. The Romans invaded them. So they have food, water, everything provided by themselves. But the thing is that this is the ancient Israeli military post. Yeah, in the time of the Romans. Tlang kan zo lami takhi. In mutayem. Hey, Masada. This is called Masada. Every Israeli people must be knowing Masada. And what does Masada mean? There is only one approach road. So if invaders come, they could easily attack them from above. But the time comes, the brave soldiers decided, 1,000 brave soldiers decided that, okay, not because of the Romans, but because of their commitment. They planned to kill themselves. They killed themselves. So when the Roman army came, they found only one woman who was not daring to kill. Hetahianin Rom sipai asing telin an waltak hanin trangray thedonin anin selawat chunga khianin lon thelo ni masela ta chuan Roman ho an lo kala mi anon suwa samfak ai ke mani ho hi intihhlum vek mai go an tita